Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Okay, for this question, it's actually asking for the area of the field of view of the microscope. So what is actually the field of view? The view that you can see under light microscope will be this particular circular structure. So what is the formula for this particular circular structure? Since it's circular, so it's pi r square. So now, how do you identify the radius for this particular area? So we know that this is the stage micrometer. And the scale with the small division is known as the eyepiece reticle. So, in order to find out the radius, given here is the diameter. So what you can do is, you identify the length of the diameter, which is 100 division. So the radius will be 50 division. So what we need to find out is, what is the length that represents this 50 division of eyepiece critical unit? So you know that it's given in the question that each stage micrometer scale with 0.1 mm apart. So you can actually go into the calibration. One division of the stage micrometer is matching with 40 division of eyepiece reticle division. So using this information, we can actually calibrate the eyepiece reticle. So 0.1 mm is equivalent to 40 eyepiece reticle division or unit. So to find out 50 eyepiece reticle unit, which is the radius, what is the actual size? So the answer will be 0.125 mm. But looking at the answers, I know that the expectation is in micrometer. So times 1000, I will be getting 125 micrometer. So apply this information into the formula. I will have pi r square. So pi, and my r is 125 micrometer square. This will be my final answer. Hope this video reinforces your understanding on calibration of eyepiece reticle. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.